never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of.
We out here grilling, vibing, and I'm gonna show y'all these pork steaks. Ooh. All right, so what I really wanted you to see is that you can close it, baby. These pork steaks, they were marinated in this Italian salad dressing, black pepper, you know, all the flavors that I wanted to come out with some, how you say it, Worcestershire? Worcestershire. Oh, how you say it, baby? Come on. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The Worcestershire sauce. I put a little bit of that in there. And then I put Worcestershire. He said, okay. All right, and then I did actually slice up some big chunks of bell pepper and onion and mix it all around with that Italian Caesar dressing. And then when he put it on the grill, he did it perfectly. If you have any type of vegetable that you're using to pull out more flavor in your meat, when you place that meat on the grill, you want to place your vegetable like the bell peppers or the onions on top of the meat. Now also, if you have your grill lined with aluminum foil, you can pour the whole mixture on top of the foil without it leaking through. Now he is barbecuing not only with charcoal, because this is not a gas grill, this is charcoal, but he's also using wood chips. What kind of wood chips you using, hon? Here we go.
So for pork and chicken and vegetables, you want to get wood chunks. See, so this apple kind of gives like a little flavor. And it tells you right here on the picture. So if you ever want to know what wood is good for whatever meat that you're doing, it comes with a little guide to tell you right there.
All right, that's good to know.
Yep, and then you can use just wood, or I like to use both. So you just go ahead and start up your charcoal. And then once it's ashed over and smoky, you go ahead and throw just a couple of chunks on there just to go ahead and get that flavor.
Okay, open it up. Let me see.
Which way?
I want to see the chunks. Let me see if I can see the chunks. No, in the grill. Yeah, open it up. Woo, look at that smoke. Now, when you open up that barbecue grill and that smoke hit you, turn your head. Because if you keep your eyes towards the flame, it's going to burn your eyes. I had to learn that the hard way, y'all. So the wood chunks are inside of there.
Right.
Where the charcoal is?
Where the charcoal is. Like if you go right there with the camera.
Wow, that's amazing. And it's just smoking. That's great.
Yeah, you ain't got to... If you're using strictly wood, then yeah, you can go ahead and have it on fire, but if all you gotta do once you get your coals gray, because you see, or white, then you go ahead and throw the wood in there so it can give it that extra flavor.
Okay. All right, let me see some of the chicken, because we're doing pork steaks and we already grilled the chicken. Hold on, let me come over here where you at.
All right.
Oh, let me close this grill. Okay. Sorry, y'all. Oh, look at that chicken. So this was all barbecued in that wood mixture. Is that the cherry or what kind is that?
So this is apple.
Oh, this is apple. Okay.
Yes, this is apple.
Apple. Right and then there. You have another kind too.
So I got another one, hickory. So this
hickory, okay.
It tells you right here that guide, pork, beef, and chicken. So since we're doing both, I have some of those in there as well.
Okay. Well, you heard it from the man himself. Go follow him at GN Photography. Put official GN Photography and it'll come right up. That's my cameraman. Happy holidays, guys. Have fun, because we having fun. See you later. Welcome home and welcome to the Nash house.